Hey y'all, my beautiful egregious. I might not be able to talk for long because, oh my god, my hair, it looked like I don't know. Comment what I look like in the comments. Oh my god, I'm like burping, expelling demons. So anyways, this probably will be a short video because we're meeting my sister's ex-boyfriend at a Mexican restaurant. I'm getting hungry. I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna eat. No. I'm getting hungry. And so I take apple cider vinegar gummies. I don't know if I mentioned that, but they really do help. Like, they will curb your hunger and at the same time, like, make you want to eat healthy, and like they clear up your face. It's really good for your immune system. Like, totally recommend. Sponsor me, apple cider vinegar gummies. Anyways, so I wanted to update you guys. Still don't have a job. Did an interview yesterday at this restaurant that I'm really close to. Like, I went to middle school with those people, so yeah, I really hope I get it, but I have this weird feeling about it, like this really weird feeling about it, so I don't know if it's good or bad, but my best friend worked there, and she said it was pretty good. I just have this weird-ass feeling. Maybe it's just a feeling that I'm having right now because I'm getting, like, paranoia feelings. Like, I don't have bad paranoia thoughts right now. It's just, like, the feeling of paranoia. So I think that my medicine is helping, and that's gonna happen for a while because, like, I'm still recovering, and, like, I lose so much shit just because my brain is, like, fried from the schizophrenia, like, straight up, y'all. I wouldn't lie about that. And, I don't know what this feeling is. It's just not good. It's just unsettled. But anyways, to be better, I'm going to bleach some clothes, and then I need a photographer, somebody who can take pictures of me as soon as possible because I need to post pictures, like, wearing the stuff, you know? And I'm going to have to go to a laundromat, too. Yeah, so that's what's coming up, the bleach clothes and, like, the laundromat, and I'm going to take some videos of me bleaching clothes and see if my friend can't edit them sometime soon. But yeah, I'm thinking about, like, some other jobs too. There's, like, thrift stores, there's metaphysical stores, so, like, I have options. I might want to do retail because the restaurant business has fucked me over so much to the point where I'm like, fuck this shit. I don't want to have to go through this shit again with creepy ass guys. There's gonna be creeps, like, I'm wearing a creep shirt right now. There's gonna be creeps, like, you know, like, but they're disgusting. There's no excuse. Like, it's so easy to not do what they do. It's so easy. But they're gonna blame it on something. I wasn't even dressed inappropriately, like, ever. And I wasn't ever dressed in a way for him to look at me like that. You know what I mean? Like, I don't believe in that. Like, I fully support, like, wear the fuck whatever you want. That's no excuse. I fully support that. Because I've had some trouble with that over the years, and just because that's just how it be, like, catcalling, fuck that shit, not okay, which I've been catcalled quite a lot in my life, so, yeah, I've been doing good, like, besides, like, last night I did have, like, a paranoia spell, and I'm still kind of going through that, and, like, I had some people offer me, like, a free vacation, and I don't know if that was paranoia or, like, just me being paranoid, but I was like, you have to be of age for the vacation. I don't know if this has happened to anybody else, but, like, you have to be of age for the vacation, and I'm not, so I was like, can I give it to somebody else? Like, you know what I mean? So I don't know what that's about, but, yeah. This is a Peach Fuzz song. Is creepy right here. Is creepy. Oh my god, my creepy scorpion too. But, like, Eli better come up to this dinner because, like, he's been asleep and I left some things in his car, and I need a fucking cigarette. I need a cigarette. I'm like, wait until after you eat because that's when it feels so good. I'm gonna try to, but anyways, yes, I have an appointment with a psychiatrist the 27th, and let's just pray they prescribe me Vyvanse, because the Lord knows I need that. And they also said they didn't want to prescribe me Lamictal, and I'm like, I've been taking that since I was in high school. I'm not going to stop taking that, but, like, I'm just going to explain things to them. I'm wearing Ursula socks. You can't really see them. Oh, also, I'm going to do a Goodwill haul later because I got some cool stuff from Goodwill. Where's my bag? Is it in my fucking room or is it in the car? Might have left it in the car, which I'm sick of losing things and, like, leaving things because it stresses me out. Maybe that's where my paranoia is coming from because I've lost so much shit. And I don't know how it just disappears into thin air unless there's some kind of portal that's sucking it up. But anyways, I say anyways a lot. Yeah. I want to be able to do this. Hold on. Okay. I'm just going to be doing this one. So this needs to be like this, and this needs to be like this, and this needs to be like this, and this needs to be like this. Fuck it, dog. Yeah. I'm feeling better. Like, I wish people would like and subscribe my videos, or like and comment on my videos, because I really want to hear back from y'all, and it makes me so happy when people do that. It makes me ecstatic about life. But it's been a really good day. I got to see one of my cool friends I met on Facebook, which, like, I'm super careful about that. Like, I don't add anybody who I like that doesn't have mutual friends. I check them out. And I don't even stay on their page for long because I'm like, what if somebody is paranoia? Which I don't even think needs to be a worry. But, like, yeah, y'all could learn some things from me from my paranoia. But I'm going to get my hair cut this Saturday. And if she cuts off more than I want, I'm suing. Because fuck that shit. I don't want my hair to be super short. But I do have some dead ends that need to be cut off. So I'm really excited for that. And she's going to, like, massage my head, which I need that. Yeah, life is, it's getting better. I could use another kitten, but Eli is allergic. So we're probably going to be only to have that. We're probably going to be able to, like, only have 2 cats and, like, a hypoallergenic dog in order to live life, which is so fine with me. We're going to, I am actually considering going to a different school, an online school. I'm really considering that, because I think online school would be so much better for me instead of, like, going in person. That's just a lot, like, but I don't know if they have, like, a songwriting program, you know, and I need to get connected with, like, songwriting stuff. Like, that's really the most important thing. But, like, if they have a therapy and, like, a songwriting thing going on, like, they're gonna call me Monday. But if they have something like that going on, then that would be real good. Yeah, good things coming in the way. Good things. It's Halloween, bitches. I don't care what nobody says. It's fucking Halloween. I got some pumpkin stuff in my room. I love my room. I don't really want to leave my room, but I think we're going to be able to, like, leave my room how it is and not have to take much from my room except for, like, all my clothes. Like, all my clothes, for real. How the fuck did I lose my fabric paint is my question. Like, it definitely disappeared into thin air. Anyhow, yeah, I've got some Christian friends hitting me up, and, like, I think that's beautiful because they've already helped me through so much. And, I love them already, and they're not, like, pushing me to do anything, you know? Like, they're not, like, join our church right now. Like, they're just cool. Like, they're just nice to me and sweet and, like, want to help, you know? So I really appreciate that. And they actually got me to, I didn't tell them that I was doing this, but they got me to not smoke, like, half a pack of cigarettes in, like, one sitting because, like, I was gonna do that. And then they called me and I was like, oh hey, y'all just saved me from smoking half a pack of cigarettes. It's so funny, but I get to see my therapist Friday. I never know what day it is. Like, even when I have a job, I don't know what day it is. Ooh, that felt so much better. My dad's gonna scream at me and be like, what the fuck are you doing? Man, that felt good as hell. I want some taco soup right now. Ew, I think it's like, I don't know what it's called, but it's like soup. It's Mexican soup. Like, you know what I mean? I hope y'all are eating and treating yourself nicely and washing your face, because I know that shit's hard. Brushing your teeth is really hard, and even getting out of bed, you know, is really hard sometimes. So I congratulate you all for that. Life is really difficult. Adulting is really difficult, and I'm just now getting to the point where I'm accepting it, and I'm 23 years old. This is the point where I'm like, okay, I'm an adult. I need to make my own decisions. I need to get out of my house. Like, I need to live without my parents, you know what I mean, without relying on them. Granted, they're gonna help me, but they don't have many means to help me. Like, it's just like basic necessities, you know, which is all right. Like, I feel bad that things aren't the way that they were, but it's not my fault, you know. Life just changes. And whenever I was in a psych hospital, my mom couldn't work. I guess she was just really worried and thinking about me, but like, I'm also like, but you hate me, so what? I'm so fucking hungry right now. I already ate roast beef. I feel fat. I'm just kidding. Fat is not a feeling. I'm gonna bring my Catcher in the Rye book to the restaurant. Hopefully I'll be able to read Eli's favorite book, and I haven't read it before, but I mean, like, yeah, I'm kind of reading it. I'm reading it because of him. And I even asked him, I was like, is our relationship safe? Like, am I safe to read this? Are you gonna fucking cheat on me? Like, that kind of shit. And if he does, he does. I got options. I'm not gonna hop back into a relationship immediately, but like, I don't know what I'll do. I keep saying, like, I'm gonna change my name and move far away, but how can I afford that? I wrote that in a song too. I need to like, what do you do? Put guitar chords to it. I need a pick too. I need to go get a pick. I'm gonna get one tomorrow, and I'm gonna submit my application to this metaphysical store. I'm gonna apply at this smoothie place, and then I hear back from this one restaurant Friday, and if they want to hire me, I'm working there regardless. But I think what I want to do is have a second job at a metaphysical store, because I'm just gonna be like, hey, I could really use this job. Like, I want to further my studies about the stuff that you have in your store. Like, that's the most important thing to me, and that's what I really want to do. So working for you guys would be heaven sent. Yeah, so hopefully they'll hire me. And if I'm part-time, I'm gonna have more time to work on my art, but like, I need that money. Like, but I could probably be full-time before I go to school. And yes, I'm still thinking about online school, because like, if I can work online school around my job schedule, I can be making tons of money. And like, I feel like by the time that school happens, I'm not going to be paranoid about like girls hitting Eli up, because if he's in school, like, I'm gonna check his phone. Like, excuse me. I know that's a healthy part in a relationship. I know couples who do that, and like, that's fine. Like, but like, I don't know, like, going in your phone and deleting shit and like being like, yeah, I'm talking to the girl, and then you're like, yes, the fuck you are. Like, I see this shit on here. Like, you're fucking lying to me. That happened before. I'm like, you're literally lying to my face. Like, what is wrong with you? But yeah, we're getting up to 15 minutes. I don't want to make it 20 because this isn't like a super important video. I mean, it's important to me, but like it's not like super important for me to like I'm not gonna post this one on Facebook unless I'm like, I could be like, there's a funny part where I make weird noises. I'm gonna do that and be like, go to this time in my video. My hair's getting curly, y'all. It's gonna get so curly once I get it cut. I'm so excited. But anyways, I love you guys, and I hope y'all have a magical day. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace, love, and blessings. Peace, love, and wash your face. That's what I need to work on. All right. I love y'all. Mwah.